Hi, Toucans and Cardinals. Today we are making a Diamante poem. So let's think about again what is a Diamante poem. So the first thing I want you to do before we complete this is get your books. If you are a Cardinal, this is your book. If you are a Toucan, this is your book. You are going to use your Pictionary book to help you with this activity. So you should also get this to help you. So go to my finished work, get this, and make sure it is on your desk when you are working. Okay, so you're going to use this to help you because these words we can also include in our Diamante poem. So let's remember, what is a Diamante poem? Remember that it is in the shape of a diamond, but we're not going to draw the diamond right away. We are going to do that last. Okay, we are not going to draw the diamond at the beginning. We are going to draw the diamond when we are finished with everything. So this was a story that I read. Your poem will be different because your poem will be about your book, either animal skeletons or making pizza. So let's take a look here again. The first thing on the top of your Diamante poem is a noun. So think about, what is a noun from my story? What noun can I use at the top of my Diamante poem? So you're going to write one noun at the top of your paper. Now, look at these two words right here. They are they're on the bottom of this word here. So you are going to write two adjectives here. Let's remember, what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun. So if I said the blue chair, blue is describing the noun. This is the noun. Chair is the noun. Blue is describing the noun. So we can change this adjective. We could say the red chair, or the pretty chair, or the ugly chair. These would all be different adjectives. So that is what an adjective is. An adjective describes the noun. So that's how we know if something is an adjective. So the first thing you're going to do is put your noun right here. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to give me two words that describe your noun. So think of two adjectives that describe your noun. And you're going to write those two adjectives right here. So in my example, I put cat. And in my story, the cat was gentle and the cat was sleepy. Those both describe cats, the gentle cat and the sleepy cat. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write three verbs. These are my three verbs. Now you can use your book to help you find verbs. So you're going to write three verbs. Three verbs from my story was climb, run, and hide. Okay? Those were three verbs from my story. Climb, run, and hide. Okay? Those three words go below. So we have our noun, our two adjectives, and our three verbs. Okay? Next, we have a mixture of nouns and verbs. Okay? So you can mix the nouns and the verbs together. Okay, now, before we go on, I want you to look at the very bottom here. The very bottom has another noun. So we have one noun at the top from our story, and then we have another noun here. This is another noun from my story. So before you do this part, wait and go all the way down to the end of your paper. And here you're going to write another noun from your story. So you need to think of two nouns from your story. From this story if you're a toucan, from this story if you are a cardinal. You're going to put one noun at the top, and you're going to put another noun at the bottom, okay? And then we're going to do the same thing, but instead of going like this, we're going to go like this. So the next one here, above here, is two adjectives. Again, remember we had two adjectives here as well. So we have cute and we have smelly. So in my book, the dog was cute and the dog was smelly. So it could be the cute dog and the smelly dog. So those were two adjectives to describe this noun here. Now let's go up. One right here. We have these three words. So the same as this, but now we're describing dog. So my three verbs for the dog were run, walk, and jump. Those were my three verbs that I chose to describe dog. Now in the middle here, you see how that's a different color? You're going to do the same thing. You're going to make these words a different color. In the middle, you have words that can describe both cat and dog. So you have to think of nouns and verbs that both of these do. So I chose whiskers, okay? I chose run, I chose eat, and I chose tongue. So these are my words that describe both of them, okay? All of my animals have those. Some dogs actually don't have whiskers, but that's okay. All right, so again, choose two nouns from your book, two adjectives to describe that noun, three verbs to describe your nouns, and in the middle, things that they have in common, okay? Things that they have in common. Those can be nouns, those can be verbs, they can also be adjectives if you would like to. They just have to have things in common. At the very end, when you are finished, you will close your diamond by Fish Shaki. You're going to close it. So it's going to be a diamond at the very end. Don't forget to use your Pictionary book to help you from yesterday, and also read your book at the very beginning and use these books to help you. You can watch this video again if you need extra help. You may ask me. You may also ask another cardinal or another toucan if you have any questions. Okay? Have fun. Good luck.